important to say.
Kunjani kodwa?
Ngiyaphila. Wena unjani after sesihlole sahlola?
Hey, ngikhathazekile. Ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyimpumputhe.
No, mele kodwa ukhathazeke mpema amaphilisi njengoba uthi nje suwayeka ususha amati you can't. Balansisela umiphilisi netiye ke kuseni.
Are we guys gonna talk about Umpilo and her random funny jokes? Because definitely Umpilo has been a nice, calm, relaxed, she's really in a relaxed mood, and Umtombeni Umpilo Tombeni decide to say abe dinner to take some Umpilo out for lunch, and of which she deserves it, and it's something Umtombeni doesn't really do much, so it was like, okay, ngabe uzothini, ngabe uphethe ziphi izinto la kuMpilo, and yeah, let's find out.
Okay.
I mean, ngiyabona phethu vethu ngcono comparing.
Oh, ngcono.
Yeah, akufani shem bandle bekukhona phela ubukubona lapha kulama letters khona ubungabona ngabo.
Sanibonani njani?
Safunjani?
Ngiyaphila, welcome to Cheful Mari.
The good thing is the father and the daughter relationship seems really good. That's one thing we can give to Umusam Tambeni when it comes to his children, let it be boys and girls. Yeah, he really does show love, and he's been loving his children effortlessly, and that is really good. I know some of you might say, oh no, he likes this one more, he likes this one more. Yeah, maybe to some extent, yeah. But then again, we do see him being present, because even Nagusne, yeah, he might not be treating Usne as the rest, or we might think he's not treating Usne as the rest of them, but we do see him having love for Usne. And I think that really do count. And here as well, he really trusts his children as well, because the meeting that he's having with Umpilo here is the meeting that he feels that no, Umpilo is old enough to handle this. So we can talk about this, or I can talk about this with Umpilo, and Umpilo is gonna, she's gonna listen and probably have a solution, because it has to do more with Oma Kumalo, which is her mom. I know now some of you are gonna ask yourselves, so should say Umpilo Kishwanje going out for lunch just for her to have this discussion with Umakumal, Yeah, part of it, yeah, but also part of it is almost some said to spend time with Umpilo.
Ngiyafisa ukukhuluma kakhulu noMpilo. Sikhulume ngesimo saleli khaya noma lomuzi wakamakhumalo. Uyazi angizokubambezela ngoba ilanga liyashona.
Yeah.
Kodwa bengithanda ukukhuluma nawe. One, ngiya-accuswa kakhulu ukuthi ingane zami lezi zamantombazana ngiyithanda.
Oh.
Yes, as I have said, ukuthi Umusamsele would decide to have a conversation below based on these reasons. And yes, I'm no, I'm having a conversation with you because I felt like I need to clear a lot of things out, clear if you are feeling also ukuthi I'm liking, you feel that maybe ngithanda abafana more than amantombazane, that is not true. Maybe I should clear myself out, tell you why I'm doing things the way I am doing things first before they move on to the next agenda of the day, which is indaba kaMakhumalo.
Ngifuna ukucacisa namhlanje ukuthi akusikhona ukuthi angiyithandi. The difference eyokuthi bengathandi ukunikeza ingane zami zamantombazane ama responsibilities engwanikeza abafana. Kodwa
what do you guys feel about this? Fathers feeling that they should not be giving women same responsibilities as men, or they should not be giving their daughters same responsibilities as sons. Because I know a lot of you are saying, oh no, he likes Sumpumelelo more, but no, according to what he's saying here, he's addressing that because no, I am basically feeling that I need to give Mpumelelo more responsibilities than my daughters, for his reasons. And anyway, what do you guys think about that?
Uthando. Hayi, hundreds. If not 200.
Amantombazana.
Well, Umsaleg is even saying no. When it comes to my daughters, the love is 100%. If not, it's 200%. You know, I'm just doing things the way I do things because of having to see that, you know what, it's better for boys to have more responsibilities than girls.
Ngingawanikeza enye responsibility yebusiness yezinto engizenzile ngoba asihlangene nomuzi but makuziwa kumuzi asikwazi ukuthi ingane yentombazane kube yiyona esilidayo.
Mangixabana noSine
Somselegu is saying when it comes to a household, definitely he can't. Akwazi ukuthi kube intombazane kube yona elidayo. Well, that's what he stands for. Well, we don't know how his daughters are seeing the thing or are taking the thing and how they feel about that.
understand ukuthi uyena owenza inkinga. Angifuni ukuzalelwa intombazane. I have been saying that over and over again.
Clearly,
Well, basically, and also he raises Indaba kaSne ukuthi uSne, he keeps disappointing him every time, and he's been saying that, you know, that Sne, do not disappoint me, but uSne akalaleli. Well, I don't know whether because uSne akalaleli, so Sne gets the treatment she gets, deserves the treatment she gets. It's just, well, comes to